Hello, kamusta kayong lahat dito? Lahat ng aking mga magaganda at gwapo na mga kapatid kong star viewers. Kamusta kayo dito? Namimiss ko kayo. I hope you miss me too. And this time, ang reading natin is all about your soulmate. Kamustahin natin yung soulmate mo. Ano ang ganap ng soulmate mo? Kilala mo na ba siya? Nakilala mo na ba siya? Or describe natin siya, what your soulmates do, and sa pananamit niya, sa looks niya. Okay? Alright, Spirit Guide Angels. Let's describe, hold on. Ano ang ganap? Okay, kamustahin natin. Ano ang ganap ng soulmate ng ating mga viewers? Okay. Ano ang ganap? Okay, kamusta ang soulmate ng ating mga viewers? Right. Changes, new beginning. Maybe your soulmate is trying to move forward. Okay? Maybe your soulmate nakatira sa ibang bansa, sa California, sa Europe. Okay, siguro itong taong ito ay napaka-ambisyoso, ambisyosa. Yeah, this person, it could be this person ay, yung iba naman dito is napaka-specific, parang siguro from divorce or a broken family. Okay? Your person's also been through a lot. Maybe there's like a divorce here. And, okay. Maybe your person, it's in a bad situation right now, yung iba sa inyo dito. Especially if your person na ay nasa, or in a relationship right now, siguro your person is like, struggling, no? Sa karelasyon niya, sa current relationship niya ngayon. May mga ups and downs siya ngayon sa current situation niya, sa pamilya niya. Especially if this person's already married. There will be like a huge changes. And this person might be planning on traveling, no? Siguro may pamilya siyang iwan. This person have to choose their plan to get away from this changes. Itong paglalayas or freedom. Wow. Okay. Your soulmate right now is been through a lot into this changes. Ang daming pagbabago. May mga tao siyang iniiwanan, or again, kung itong taong ito ay may mga anak na, your person have to leave their ex-spouse with their children. Yeah. Kamustahin naman natin yung relationship niya kung itong taong ito ay pamilyado na, no? Okay. Again, this is about your soulmate, no? So this could be a future person, or this could be your current person. You could be in a relationship already. Kung ikaw itong in a relationship with your person, kung ikaw itong kasado na, no? So, you could be dealing with your person right now na may mga ups and down kayo, mga kapatid. And maybe your person might be in abroad. Maybe siguro may ano kayo, distance, no? Long distance relationship. Or, kasi minsan, mahirap talaga makapag-deal sa isang karelasyon na may long distance eh. Dahil hindi nawawala yung away-bati. Or hindi rin nawawala sa sitwasyon na nagkakaroon ng broken family. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm also getting like there will be like a third party situation here. Or maybe the reason na nagkakaroon kayo ng away or something about away or breaking this relationship is because of another people involved, third party involved, maybe another woman or another man. Siguro isa sa inyo ay siloso kung ikaw itong nasa sitwasyon ngayon na away-bati kayo ng person mo, dahil there could be another person na involved. Okay? But again, kunin nyo lang kung saan ka nakakasinik. Kasi meron ditong future person na your person is committed already or with someone else, kasado or in a relationship. Kaya lang this person is maybe hindi mo pa siya nakilala. And by the time na free o nagkakaroon ng freedom sa person mo, you will meet this person. O magkakaroon pa kayo ng chance to meet your soulmate. Because this is all about your soulmate. Yeah. And yung iba naman sa inyo dito, this is your soulmate that you are with right now. Kung in a relationship right now. Yun nga lang, may mga away bati, may mga ups and down kayo. Okay? Especially if this person is like always out. Parang laging alis or umaalis o laging wala sa bahay. Kaya siguro parang nagkakaroon ka ng or nagkakaroon ng pagsiselos or nagkakaroon kayo ng bangayan is because of another person. Siguro nag-aaway kayo dahil sa mga inom doon, inom dito, or sa bisyo ng person mo. Kaya siguro isa ito sa mga problema ninyo, yung bisyo ng person mo. Whatever na kung ano itong bisyo niya, inom, pagsisugal, or pambabae, yeah, it's a reason kaya ka nag-aaway ng person mo. And this is your soulmate. Kasi minsan, hindi lahat ng soulmate talaga, perfecto yung relationship. May mga soulmate, karmic relationship, may mga lesson kayong matutunan dito or ma-experience dito sa mundong ito. Okay. At yung iba naman sa inyo dito, especially if you are single, your person might be live in abroad. Nasa abroad siguro itong taong ito or nakatira sa isang gusali or may condo or apartment or this person might be live in overseas or sa Middle East, like or it could be somewhere in California or Europe or somewhere na may mga bridge or red bridge. I'm also getting like Korea or China. Yung iba sa inyo dito. And this is like your soulmate partner. Okay. That's also a sign that this is your soulmate or your person is here in this area. Wow. Okay, so let's describe more about your soulmate now. Okay. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels, tell us more about personality ng soulmate nila. Spirit Guide Angels, you know what, let's use this other one. Tell us more about the personality ng soulmate nila. Ano ang personality ng kanilang soulmate? Okay. The world, this person is a traveler, mahilig mag-travel, again, laging wala sa bahay, gala, mahilig makipag-inuman, romantic, magaling sa pera, may abs, or mabigote, o may kulot na buhok. Okay. I'm also getting like habulin ang taong ito. I'm hearing like habulin ng utang. And napakaganda ng taong ito. Maybe mahilig ito sa mga bulaklak or napaka-romantic ng taong ito. So if you're a man, your soulmate is loves to receive flowers. So when the time na ma-meet mo itong taong ito, or if you are in a relationship already, then always show your passion with your partner, with your wife, itong soulmate mo, itong partner mo. Magbigay ka naman ng bulaklak. Siguro lately hindi ka nagbibigay ng bulaklak, hindi ka expressive sa person mo, sa partner mo. Okay? At yung iba naman sa inyo dito, as a woman, ang taong ito ay habulin ng mga babae, romantic, napaka-romantic ng taong ito, magaling, jolly kausap, magandang pangangatawan, mabigote, or siguro I'm also getting the energy na siguro may edad ng taong ito, yung iba sa inyo. Yung iba naman mukhang matured, but bata pa naman when it comes to sa edad. Bata pa siya, kaya lang when it comes to look, matured na. Okay? At you might be dealing with somebody na nasa kanya na ang lahat. Money, romantic, or napakamaganda, napaka-loving person, matalino, okay? And I'm also getting like a business mindset ang taong ito. Magaling sa pera, magaling sa negosyo, pag-negosyo. Yeah, I'm also getting like you will meet this person sa travel niya because it's related sa negosyo or sa trabaho. Iba sa niyo dito. Okay. I'm also like, yeah, this is your soulmate. Maybe your person, this must be like a foreigner. Yeah. This is general reading, guys, ha. Hindi to personal, Hindi ito private reading. So, kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate dito. Huwag lang tayo magalit kung hindi man kayo nakaka-resonate. Okay. Wow. Okay. I'm also getting like you might be dreaming about this person. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm getting like there's a differences between you and your person. Sa balat, sa pananamit, kung ikaw itong napaka-fashionista, itong taong ito siguro is don't care about the looks. Okay? May malaking pagbabago sa personality. Kung ikaw itong napaka-needy or clingy, itong tao naman ito ay opposite. Magkaiba. May pagkakaiba kayo ng personality ng taong ito. Yung iba naman sa inyo. Okay? So, let's move on. Alamin naman natin kung more describe pa sa taong ito. Alright. Spirit guide angels, let us know more about their soulmate. Let us know more about their soulmate ng ating mga viewers ngayon. And again, currently situation ng inyong soulmate at this moment, ang dami niya mga pagsubok, no? Siguro marami na siya mga tao na getting like natakbuhan or from past relationship na this person's been through a lot from this relationship or people around him or her, friendship or co-workers, and this person is like nagkakaroon siguro siya ng mga trust issue. Yeah. Okay. And this person still I'm also getting like this person, ang dami niyang challenges, ang dami niyang mga pagsubok na na-encounter at this moment, mga problema, yung iba sa inyo dito. Kaya nga siguro magta-travel muna siya, especially sa trabaho. Siguro napaplano siya na maglipat ng ibang trabaho, ng ibang company. Okay. Mahaba ang buhok. Your person might be mahaba ang buhok, itong soulmate mo. Teenager, like again, teenager, but then it looks matured. Okay. Aquarius, you might be dealing with Aquarius. Salon, again, minsan nagkaka-reverse yung energy. This could be you na-describe ko, or this could be your person, your soulmate. Leo, ba yan? Okay. Again, Aquarius, confirm na ito. Aquarius, you are dealing with Aquarius. Yeah, Aquarius and tambay lang muna. Okay. Yeah, so tambay lang muna at this moment. Maybe this person is tambay, kapitbahay, or stranded. Wala pa siyang, or hinintay muna niya sigurong makapag-abroad or an opportunity coming kasi nagkakaroon naman siya ng idea or pagkaplano na mag-abroad or sa trabaho. At this moment, tambay na muna siya. Siguro may hinihintay pa siyang opportunity. It could be calling from work, no? Actress, siguro itong taong ito is artista or as an actress. Dark skin, again, this could be like your person might be you might be dealing with a person na may dark skin, Scorpio, and bugnutin or yamutin, laging parang laging galit, parang bihira lang siya nakangiti, or siguro at this moment is because your person, no, your person has been through a lot, mga pagsubok, or mga parang laging marami siyang mga problema. Your person is dealing so much problem at this moment. Kaya lately, hindi na siya, or bihira na lang siya nakangiti. Kaya laging bugnutin. Or talagang, ano lang siya, no? Bugnutin lang talaga yung itsura niya. But then again, this is your soulmate. So, yeah, I'm also getting like love is blind. No? Napaka good looking mo, kaya lang itong person naman ito is hindi naman gwapo. The people will be around you na, uy, anong meron sa taong yan at nagustuhan mo siya. But then again, kasi minsan no, nagkakaroon tayo ng question, ano kaya meron sa akin at or ano kaya meron sa kanya na nagustuhan ko siya? Kasi sa looks naman, hindi naman siya gwapo, hindi naman siya maganda. Yun nga lang, this is your person. This is your soulmate, the person that you are meant to be with. Kahit na ang dami mong katanungan, this is your destiny. This is the person that you are destined to be with. Wow. So, final advice from your spirit team, angels, your Cupid teams. Spirit, can you just final advice about their soulmate or for our viewers? Final advice, please. Final advice. Okay. Free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. So guys, again, free yourself from whatever, okay, kung ano itong mga nag-hold on sa iyo. Maybe you are still holding on from toxic relationship, toxic mindset, or toxic friendship. Yeah, free yourself. You guys are beautiful being. Ang ganda-ganda nyo, ang gwapo-gwapo nyo. Then, na-stuck ka dyan. Whatever it is, again, this is general reading, collective reading. You are a beautiful being inside and out. Okay? If you are not happy in that whatever situation in right now, free yourself. May mas magandang opportunity para pa dyan. Huwag kang magmukmuk. Lumabas-labas ka ng bahay kung ikaw itong nagmumukmuk na lang or nasa bahay ka lang. Hindi kasi din healthy sa mindset natin kung nandyan ka lang sa bahay. Try to go out. Try to, maybe buy some plants or planting flowers. And because of that, that will give you like, to refresh your mindset and gives you more idea. Okay? So do not let anybody to control you. You need to free yourself from anything. Kung ano yung sitwasyon mo ngayon, kailangan mo ng freedom. Yeah. Follow your heart. Follow what's in your heart. Especially if you are just dating somebody na hindi ka naman masaya, then let go. Or siguro you are still holding on from the past, then you have to let go. And that, you need to put space in your heart. And when the time na ready ka na, you will meet this soulmate, the destiny, the person that you are meant to be together. Okay? So, hanggang dito na lang mga kapatid. Sana nag-enjoy kayo and I hope to see you guys on my next reading. I love you guys and feel free to leave your comment below. And yeah, so nakakatuwa po mabasa lahat ng mga comment nyo doon and pasensya na kung hindi ko man po na makapag-respond doon dahil ako nga ay busy rin at nagtatrabaho din ako as a full-time mom. And again, kayo na pong bahalang umitindi sa akin. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo at maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat dito. I love you guys and see you guys next time. Bye!